old Chinese proverb states that a cloth is not woven from a single thread. This implies that to achieve success, human beings need to join hands and help each other in advancing to the next level. That is the case at Kenya's Moi University in Eldoret town, where a collaboration with Donghua University has helped in reviving the country's textile industry. Like many African countries, Kenya's textile industry was facing serious challenges with many factories closing shop.
Rivertex was opened in 1978, so business was well until 1990s when we had the structural adjustment programs initiated by the World Bank and the IMF, whereby the market was liberalized, which allowed the importation of cheap synthetic fibers like the polyester and the nylon, which was cheap as compared to the cotton fibers. So as a result of that, competitiveness became a challenge. It was not profitable. So in 1998, it collapsed. In 2007, Moi University acquired the facility. We had obsolete machines. We started the modernization process in 2010. Currently, we are at 98% level of modernization. Donghua University has really assisted Rivertex, most importantly in skill transfer. We've had students from Donghua coming to Rivertex to undertake some programs. We've also had students from Rivertex going to Donghua, really helping Rivertex in terms of producing quality products.
I have been in Kenya for 2 times. One is in 2011, the other is in the 2019. For the 2011, it is due to the cooperation plan we call Sino-Africa 20+20. We selected about 20 universities from China, also partners from Africa, another 20 universities. From Kenya, actually there are 2 universities. One is Moi University, which the partner is our Donghua University. In the past 10 years, we have sent about 160 teachers to visit Moi University. We already trained like more than 1,400 students, short-term, long-term degree or whatever, about 25% from Kenya, from the Moi University. Both of us benefit from this cooperation a lot. In 2018, Donghua University initiated World Textile University Alliance. Many universities along the Belt and Road. We have about 37 members together. We can move forward for this kind of cooperation.
Donghua University, they help us to train our students. We've benefited a lot because Donghua is actually the leading in textile engineering. And the professors from there help us to get direction in terms of training, even capacity building for our lecturers, capacity building for our students, for our technicians as well. 2015, the 2 universities established the Confucius Institute at Moi University, featuring textile engineering and fashion design. It's the only one of its kind globally. The Confucius Institute provides teaching of Chinese language and culture as an elective foreign language. Moi University and Donghua University being the partners in the Sino-Africa 20+20 Universal Collaboration Project, decided in 2015 we started the collaboration to organize an annual Sino-Africa symposium on textile and apparel, which is held annually, and we alternate between China and Kenya. This month of December, we are hosting the SASEF conference in Mombasa.
In the year 2007, when I was a PhD student at Donghua University, the Vice Chancellor of Moi University then visited Donghua University and requested for a collaboration. So I was involved in that initial discussion. During my study in China, I was able to visit very many textile industries, and I was able to understand more detailed information about the textile industry. Africa, we grow a lot of cotton. We export most of it to China and Singapore and maybe Bangladesh. Africa, they don't process their raw material. That's a big problem. China is one of the leading growers of cotton, but they're also the leading importer of cotton. They have the material, they add value. Africa, we have our cotton, we don't add value. My view is this: Africa may have to learn from China to see if they can improve their textile industry. I just told you about knitting machines. I can even take you to the factory. They have bought them from China. So I think this is the win-win. We can buy machines from China. We can use our cheap labor here in Kenya and produce high quality textile material.
I was employed in 2009, but in 2014 I went for further studies in Donghua University in China, Shanghai. I graduated in 2017. I came back again to Rivertex. The level of textile technology that China is using is way advanced. When you look at the scenario in Kenya in relation to textile, we are short of technical people that can assist in this field. This collaboration with China has really mentored and has also given that capacity to Kenya to build that capacity of technicians that can be used in the country to spearhead development in this field.
I'm from Zimbabwe. By around 2007, 2008, those industries shut down in Zimbabwe. So now in comparison, there are still so many operational factories here in Kenya. My supervisor, who has done a lot of work in China, now he's also trying to find opportunities for me to be able to go and do maybe postdoc or work in China. Knowing how much China exports a lot of textiles and the manufacturing sector, I would love to see the type of equipment that they have, I'd love to see how they are able to manufacture so much, how they are able to have such capacity. I believe I would learn a lot from it.